A quick little overview on funnels. Now, the difference between a funnel and a website, there really isn't too much. So a website is kind of like your home base where everything is, where your pages are, your contact information, the information about your website, your blog, your store, all of that. A funnel, a lot of the times people think a funnel is just like a marketing funnel, like a webinar or a freebie. And it is, but there's a lot more to a funnel. A funnel is almost its own container, its own mini website that can house many different things. You could put your entire course in a funnel. You don't need to create a sales page on your website and then bring them to a different course platform. You can literally have the sales page, the confirmation, and the course all in one funnel. So it's almost like a mini website that branches off of your main website. And we will go over many more videos on what funnels are and how to build them, but I just wanted to go over a quick overview so you could get started. So to get started with funnels, you're gonna wanna go to here and click create a funnel. And we have a few funnels and we'll keep adding more, but for now, let's just start with the webinar funnel. So this is an evergreen webinar funnel that you could build, or a masterclass that just runs on autopilot. So let's select this one and populate it. So let's choose a name, test as always. And so now we have the funnel populated already. So you can see, you can put some information, you can put what you cover and put when it's starting, and you can change all of this just like you would on your website or any page. You can literally recreate it all. But I want to show you what the funnel actually is. So this is the landing page that we're on, where they can choose to read about it and then click to sign up, and which will bring them to the opt-in page, which is the next step. So when you see here on the button, the link on the button is the next funnel step. So you could literally have it go to that next funnel, or if you want to choose to make it go to the confirmation instead, you can choose that. But so let's go back to the funnel itself. So we saw the landing page. When you click the button, it'll bring you to the opt-in page, which is a pop-up for you to enter your information and secure your spot in the webinar, which creates an account for your customer and puts them in your CRM, your customer relationship manager, which we'll go over in another video. But it has all their information, and you can even, tag it. So I'll show you that real fast. So after they've opted in, once they click this button, it's going to go to the next funnel step. So here, action on submit, you could just show them a thank you message, or you could have them go to a different page that you want. So you could pick any page or file or anything. But for this one, we want them to go to the next funnel step, which is the confirmation, saying thank you, go watch the masterclass now, because it is an evergreen masterclass. You can make it so they can watch it on demand, or you could send them, you could use this button, change the link, and send them to an external link, such as a Zoom or whatever that you want them to watch. Or if you have a video on Vimeo or on YouTube that you want them to watch, instead of watching it on here, you could put that here. But you could also put, a little information. You could put a link to a notebook that they need to download to have. So when they click this button to go to the masterclass, it's bringing them to the next funnel step, which again is the live webinar, which is not live with this evergreen. But when they go to this is where you can put the video, or you can, like I said, you could use an external link and send them somewhere else, but you could just have them click start and it'll bring them to this next funnel step. And then at the bottom, you could put, if you're selling something, you could put a link here to that, and you could connect it to your store. If you have a store, you can connect it to a product. So it's really, really cool what you can do with this, and it's super simple. And if you had another funnel step, you could put the next funnel step, or you could make them go back to the landing page when they click that. Whatever you want to do, it's really up to you. And if you want to add another step, you can just add a new step. You could make it a page and have it go to that, or a pop-up. And you can really get nitty-gritty here. You can see all the information about it. You can see your visitors and their analytics. You can see the amount of sales you've had with this funnel, because you can connect your store, you can connect products, you can connect everything on your site with this. So you can see all that information. You can see the orders, the products. You can add the product in here, so that way when you connect it, it's all right there. And you can see what the top performer is and a lot more information, which is really nice. And you can add another funnel and another. And depending on the plan you have, on the highest plan, you can have unlimited funnels. But this is where the magic is that I wanted to talk about. When you click settings on your funnel, you can add a domain name to your actual funnel, which is so cool. You don't ever have to have, steven.com/funnel anymore. It can literally be, and you can have a domain name for each of your funnels. So if you have an unlimited funnel plan, you can have unlimited domain names. So you could have stevenscourse.com, stevenswebinar.com, stevenschallenge.com for each funnel. And each funnel is its own container that houses all the information you want in there. Like I said, you could have an opt-in page that goes to a confirmation page, then they can log into their course, and it's all in that one container. And the cool thing is it's still all connected to your main website. So you can still connect it to your emails, to everything, to your store. So nothing is separate. You don't need Zapier to zap a bunch of different platforms together. It's all right here. And the magic is in the funnels in this scenario. And I'm so excited to see what you guys make. Again, this was just a quick overview. We'll have many more videos, and each week I will be going live on YouTube, on our YouTube for Pretty Dashboard, and I will be making funnels, making websites from scratch, and we will have so much fun. But in the meantime, if you need any help, don't hesitate to reach out at hello@prettydash.co. Thanks, guys.